So hello, I am Pratyush Shukla of Section 12, Civil Department 20 CE 320. So I would be opening the sandwich maker, Maharaja sandwich maker. It's in working condition, as you can see from this. The light opens, but I'm gonna close it because it will get heated, but then I won't be able to work. So now I'm gonna open it. As you can see, this is the basically the power supply, and these are the lights. Basically, these are the power grids of the wires. So as I said, this is a sandwich maker. So these are the plates where you keep the sandwiches. It's quite hot because I opened it for like 5 seconds. As you can see, this is the coil. This is the coil that actually gets heats up. But as you can see, this is also the same material as the coil. The coil heats up this part, and the heat spreads around all of these parts, and then the heat reaches this, and the sandwiches are baked. And here is the wire connecting to the rods so that it heats up from the electricity. So that's basically it, and I don't think there is any other function left in it. Yes, so now I will close it. It's quite difficult to close it. So this is fixed. I'm gonna fix the power supply line screws. So I reassembled. Oh, its tag got removed from it, so I can throw that out, no problem. So as you can see, I reassembled the toaster and the power supply. Now I'm reconnecting the power supply. As you can see, it still works and it's still getting heated. It's off. Thank you.